Okay, this is 2108 Winona Drive in Plano. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot. New roof, new gutters. Let's go take a look. Come in the front of the house here. Then you have a big living area here. Dining room goes into the kitchen. And then you come down the hall. You have 1 bedroom, closet. And you have a 2nd bedroom, closet. Beautiful bathroom here. Nicely done. And you have a 3rd bedroom. All the bedrooms are right here together. And then the main bedroom here goes into bathroom, tub, shower, linen closet. And it's got 2 doors, but it's the same closet in here. Really nice done. Nicely done. Main bedroom. Windows on both sides. Really nice. And I'll take you out in the backyard. Nice backyard, quiet, easily have garden out here. That goes into the garage. And then this comes in this way. Have another eat-in area in the kitchen. Nice laundry area. And then the garage, 2-car garage. Nice. Nice.
I can move.
Nice. And this is the kitchen. Circles around into the dining room. This is a 439, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,873 square foot. Okay, thanks.